wish there was an easier way to draw the lines and a way to avoid confusion.
Zap, that paper wasn't meant for you. It was meant for Theo the Crow, Scorch's adopted pet. I was supposed to teach him how to draw shapes.
My apologies. Hey, can you teach him how to draw Superman?
If you keep bringing up your inspirations of your superhero, I'll teach him how to draw an evil villain.
I'll be going.
How do you do, everyone? I was just teaching Theo how to draw shapes. You were new to this, right, Theo? Okay. So, so I show him what these shapes are about. Starting with a square which had four sides. It's like a rectangle, the same but wider. Three sides for a triangle. Circle, no sides, just round. Like ovals, similar to ovals I should say, they're rounder. And for the record, hexagons have 6 sides and octagons have 8. But I just had Theo just draw the ones he's familiar with. He did good, but I think he should do a little better on his drawing of shapes. Oh, if I say any of the wrong information about these shapes, forgive me.
If there was some way I could erase Rainbow's memory with a push of a button, I know. I'll get Dylan. He has been doing magic since the start of school. You may think that's impossible, but you never know what a magician can have in his sleeves. Or in this case, his socks.
So why are we at the sleep-in, Zep?
You're a magician, right?
Yes. So?
Well, I need your powers to erase Rainbow's memory.
Okay. Abracadabra, make the memories of the colorful creature disappear.
Did it work?
I'm not sure. We will have to find out in the morning.
Now, what was I supposed to be doing? I just can't think of it.
Morning, Rainbow.
Do I know you? Besides, how don't you know my name?
I can't believe Dylan's magic worked.
Who's Dylan? And what kind of magic worked?
Nothing. Oh, hi, Theo.
Is that your pet bird?
No, this is the crow you were teaching. You know, Scorch's adopted pet.
Who's Scorch?
Abracadabra, bring the memory back from the colorful creature.
Well, when... Okay. Who is responsible for this gimmick? Or something?
Okay, I'll tell you the truth. Dylan and I, one way or another, erased your memory because...
So you weren't so mad or hard on your friends. Also, I erased your memory. Rainbow, I have been doing magic since I started grade school. Hope y'all happy.
Look, I don't understand what this is, but my point is, I may be direct, but all of you should know that it's not nice to judge people or puppets of their modes and do something about it. You may not control the moods or feelings of your friends, but you can control your own feelings. I know you, Theo the Crow, Scorch's adopted pet. Come on, I have some more learning for y'all.
Oh, you. I forgot to tell you that whatever a magician's powers go out of one puppet or person, they randomly go into another.